Okay, welcome to another video. I've now got a new microphone. The one that Stefan bought me a few months ago has been ruined by my kids, so I've got a new one. I'm just going to quickly introduce the concept of using events lists within Xways Forensics, not to be confused with the calendar function. It's a very efficient and quick way of enabling you to build timeline functionality into all sorts of different kinds of cases. So I'm using Xways Forensics 17.1, but I think it was in version 16.9 that the events list feature was introduced. So I've just created a new case, so I'm going to add an image first. I'm just going to choose this NTFS one. Once I can sort my mouse speed out. As usual, it will just quickly traverse the partition for us. If I right click and explore recursively, it will show us all the files as usual, but what it won't do when you use the events list feature at this stage is give you anything, because you haven't asked it to perform that refinement yet. The events list button, for anyone that's wondering, is this one here that just appears next to the search feature. If you click that now, it doesn't list anything up there. On that note, it does work exactly like the review of search results button, in that you toggle it on and off to show you the results of that mode. So in order to get some information in there, we need to refine the volume snapshot, and the functionality exists within here. You've got extract internal metadata, etc. In that ellipsis button that appears, you click that, and I think by default it's usually the first 5 that are ticked, but these 3 down the bottom aren't, of which that one, the SQLite databases one, is not related, I don't think, directly to the events list, although there might be some information in there that gets added. But the 2 that are important are these 2. Provide file system level timestamps as events, and provide internal timestamps in files as events. You click OK to that, and then click OK. It will traverse the partition and add a load of information about the event as soon as it's done. Okay, so it's finished that. Now, when we ensuring that you've still got your recursive mode on, now when you click that, it lists all of this, which gives you various and related attributes that you can sort by, and the usual kind of file name, date, time, etc. that you'd find in here. So the new feature effectively is this lot here. So you could, for example, sort by the type of events to get all the creations events. So on and so forth, or you could do a primary sort by the timestamp, like that, and then toggle it on and off, back to normal recursive view, put it back on, gives you everything again. And obviously the hierarchical structure of the 3 panes of Xways Forensics means that whatever you see in here when you click the events list is dictated by whatever you've right clicked over here. So in this case it's the entire image, not the entire case if I'd have got multiple images in here, but I could do it just for the documents and settings directory, like that. Just right click the documents and settings, and it gives you the time events list information in there. Same for Recycler, same for Windows, so on and so. And that's it, simple as that.